All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I worked on my Pi Fox a little bit more here. Added this little sticker on the top to cover up where you can see the battery at, make it look a little better. Put this label on for the frequency and the tone that it's programmed to. And just labeled it Pi Fox. Put two holes in here for little air. Put a little foam things on here for the so it can set on. Added two more screws into this to stiffen it up a little bit more. But that's the toggle switch to turn it on. Then you open this up. What you see here is the switch. This is a 5-volt power bank battery setup that I got from the store. It's a 2500 milliamp battery pack. Nice thing about it is I got the power coming out. Power comes out, comes up through the switch so I can shut off the Pi, because when this is plugged in, it's a constant hot. So then I can touch this little button here to see how good the battery is. Then this here is a Raspberry Pi B Plus that I'm using. I got the antenna hooked up to the pins over here. So when you turn this on, it transmits every 60 seconds my call sign and what else I have it programmed. So we can put this out in the woods and see if we can find it using HTs and stuff. So not a little bad setup. So all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and all that. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.